Which walking sticks with seats actually work for seniors? Simple question, but you have to dig a little deeper to find the best options. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 that combine support and comfort. Product number 1, Big-Alex Folding Cane with Seat. First up is the Big-Alex Alloy Folding Cane with Seat. This caught my eye with its affordable price of $53.21 and unique design. If you want a sturdy cane that easily converts into a comfortable seat, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Big-Alex stand out is its multifunctional design. It combines a cane and a folding seat in one, making it perfect for seniors who need to rest while walking. The adjustable height ranges from 33.1 to 36.1 inches, so you can personalize it for your comfort. Plus, the seat height can adjust from 18.9 to 21.7 inches, allowing you to sit comfortably whenever you need a break. With a weight limit of 400 pounds, it caters to most users, ensuring stability thanks to its non-slip tip. Now here's the thing, some users mention that the LED light in the handle isn't very bright. I get that if you're depending on this for nighttime visibility, you might find it lacking. But honestly, for daytime use and just to have a little light when needed, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for support and seating. Skip this one if you need something with a more powerful light feature. Overall, for $53.21, it provides great value. Now, if the LED light feature wasn't enough for you, the next product on my list might actually do the trick while still offering a solid seat. Product number 2, Step2Gold Tada Chair Series 2. Next up is the Step2Gold Tada Chair Series 2, priced at $188.81. This one really caught my attention because of its unique ability to switch from a walking stick to a chair in an instant. If you're an outdoor lover or someone who often finds themselves needing to rest, this might be what you need. The Tada chair is designed for versatility. With just a snap, you can go from using it as a hiking stick to having a comfortable seat. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold, reducing strain on your hands while walking. It supports up to 300 pounds and comes in 3 different sizes to fit various heights, making it adaptable for many users. Plus, the anti-slip rubber feet provide extra stability. However, some users complained that it's a bit heavier compared to other models. While it weighs under 2.2 pounds, it's still something to consider if you want something ultralight. But honestly, with the added stability and comfort, I think the weight is a fair trade-off for what you get. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys hiking or outdoor activities and needs a quick resting place. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight. It's a solid investment for its price considering the quality. Now, if you need a higher weight capacity, the next walking stick might be just what you're looking for. Product number 3, Yayo Folding Canes with Seat. The Yayo Folding Canes with Seat comes in at $53.53, and it's another intriguing option. What caught my eye here is its ability to hold up to 440 pounds, which is impressive. If you're looking for a sturdy option that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth considering. This cane not only serves as a walking stick, but also features an adjustable seat height, making it quite convenient. It weighs just under 2 pounds, making it easy to carry around. This cane is especially handy at events or while waiting in lines since it allows you to sit down whenever the need arises. Plus, the built-in LED light adds an extra layer of safety. However, some people mention that the seat can feel a bit slanted if not used properly. I get that, but honestly, as long as you use it as intended, it shouldn't be a problem. It's really more about being mindful of how you sit. This is perfect for anyone needing a reliable, sturdy cane with added seating capability. Skip this one if you prefer a fixed seat height or are worried about the slant. For $53.53, it's a great value for the features it offers. Now, if you want something with more stability when seated, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, HZZDNG Folding Canes with Seat. Coming in at $152.05, we have the HZZDNG Folding Canes with Seat. This one has a strong design that allows for both walking support and a stable seat. If you need extra stability when sitting, this might be the right fit for you. The HZZDNG model features a 4-legged design that enhances stability when seated, which is a huge plus. The cane adjusts from 33.46 to 36.02 inches, and provides a seat height of 19.69 inches, making it suitable for a range of users. The aviation aluminum construction is durable and designed for high weight capacity, while the anti-slip foot cover ensures you won't slip while using it. However, some users found the instructions for using the locking mechanism a bit confusing at first. I get that it can be a bit tricky. But once you get the hang of it, it works great and provides a secure sitting experience. This is perfect for anyone who prioritizes stability and durability in their walking aid. Skip this one if you need something super lightweight, as it does weigh about 3.77 pounds. For the price, it's well worth the investment in safety and comfort. Now, if you're looking for something that's easier to fold and carry, the last product might just fit the bill. Product number 5, REHAND Walking Cane with Seat. Lastly, we have the REHAND Walking Cane with Seat, priced at just $38. This one really stands out because of its extra-large seat and ergonomic design. If you want comfort without breaking the bank, this is a great choice. The REHAND cane features a seat that measures 10.4 inches in length and 9.3 inches in width, providing ample space for comfort. It also has an innovative handle design that relieves palm pressure, making it easier to grip without causing fatigue. The adjustable height suits users from 55 to 65, giving a nice range for different heights. However, some users noted that the folding mechanism can be a bit tricky at first. I can understand that frustration, but once you get used to it, it becomes a non-issue. Plus, for the comfort and price, it's a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for anyone who values comfort and affordability. Skip this if you're looking for something overly compact, but for its price, it's a steal. Now, let's wrap up and compare these 5 options briefly. So to recap, the Bigalix offers great value for a basic cane, while the Step2Gold Tata chair provides versatility for outdoor lovers. The Yayo is sturdy with an impressive weight capacity, the HZZDNG adds extra stability, and the REHAND combines comfort with affordability. Depending on your specific needs like weight, capacity, or comfort, one of these should be just right for you.